She called. She died last week, echoing in a chilling reminder that sometimes the dead have unfinished business. The air in the room thickens with dread as the memories flood back, leaving an unshakable fear lingering in the darkness. The figure looms closer, and the haunting familiarity of the voice on the line becomes evident, sending waves of anxiety crashing over her. Time seems to stand still as she contemplates whether to answer or let the darkness claim her. The clock strikes 3:33, and the weight of the message sinks in, revealing a connection that transcends life and death. A chill runs down her spine as the realization dawns. Some calls cannot be ignored and some bonds cannot be broken. As the breeze whispers through the window, she feels an unsettling presence creeping into the room, compelling her to confront the truth hidden within the pages of her memories. With every scribbled note, the boundary between reality and the supernatural blurs, leaving her questioning the last call that changed everything.